Okay. Now this is the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now when we start, I said when we open like this, you see most of the features are not active because we have not done anything yet. All these things are not active. Okay. So how do we begin? You click to add a slide. This is a click. When I click, we have added a slide. Like in Microsoft Office, when you click, you add the page 1. So this is a slide. So there is here a title. Click to add a title. Here, click to add a subtitle. So what should I do here? I can say here, I can say my name. I can say here, what can I say? I can put names, Ategeka, maybe modern. Then here I put a subtitle. I say the tutor
from Chenjejo sub-county.
at modern. Chenjejo is not a sub-county. World UG. Okay, now you see, by default, this one is big, this one is small. What does it mean? The first slide or the first part here, the first section is for the title, like this one now is a description. This is the first one. So how do you add the page 2? For example, when you are making a presentation in this PowerPoint, meaning that you will have very many slides as we are going to be seeing. How do you add a new slide? You go to home, you can see new slide. New slide have different designs. You can see it has this one. This is the same one like this one. It has title and content. It has section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with the caption. Meaning that if you want a picture with a caption, you use that one. If you want to comparison to compare two things, you use that one. If you have two content, you just want to create two contents, you use that one. So let's maybe use this one, title and content. Okay, now this is slide number 2. Slide number 2, I can say my students. Okay, we can say this is modern computer, modern, yes, this is modern, yeah. Computer world, UG. Now, here we say our programs. Our programs, modern computer world, UG, we can just say we are focused on training world move and meet with the trending technology by enabling them use computer. Okay. We can add another one, digitalize yourself in future. Digitalize yourself in future. To have a fully digital world. Digital world. Okay. Now we add a new slide. Now, Kakati Jukitanze, you know me very well. I like more of using shortcuts. Huh? How do you add a new slide with a shortcut? You press Control and Aim. Control and Aim. You see? Control and Aim. New slide. Here I can say our programs. Our programs. Here I'm going to put our programs. So I look here. Here there is a table. Here there is insert chart. Here there is insert a smart graphics. Here there is which one? Online pictures, offline. Here insert a video. Insert graphics, insert chart. So let me use this one. I'm going to put our programs. How am I going to put them? I'm going to use one of these ones. There is list, there is a circle. I'm going to choose any of these, okay? There is hierarchy, there is relationship, Now, members, okay, we are going to do this. Let me first choose our programs using a circle like this. I can choose this one. I say okay. So when I say okay, I can click here. I say MS Office. MS Office. Here I say Word, Excel, Access. Here I say PowerPoint. Now there is another one to add, not so? So we can add another one. How? We right click on any, we right click, then say add a shape, maybe after or before. So this is MS, this is publisher, right? Publisher. So this is MSC Office. You see how nice it is looking? So here I can change the format of the what? The format of the lookings. I can make them look like this. I can make them look like this. I can make them look like this. See? Okay, let's use this. We can change the color. We can change the color of these stuffs. Now, after this, we can remove this one. Then we can put another slide. Maybe we need to know the hierarchy, maybe the hierarchy of the programs. The hierarchy of the program. Hierarchy, we can say how this is organizational chart. Now, where are these organizational charts used in Microsoft PowerPoint? These ones, for example, you see charts in offices, beginning from the director to the general manager, from the general manager to the coordinator, from the coordinator up to the last person. These are the organization charts they use.
President, vice president, speaker.
These are the organizational chart. This is picture organization. You put a picture plus someone. So guys, all of you will send me his or her best picture. We make our presentation with our picture plus our names, okay? You share with me your pics. Then we do it. Name and title of the organization. So let's still use this one because we are dealing with. You can use this one here. You can use this. So anything that you feel like. So here we are going to say another program. This is the programming. Program. Say programs. Still programs. Maybe here I can say multimedia. Multimedia. Then here we can say Corel. Here we can say Photoshop. Photoshop. Here we can say Filmora. Here we can say maybe installations. Okay. Okay, we are just assuming, okay? Do not be bothered by this. So this one, Ahood is sending a message. Color in the third slide is so high fiction. No worries, we shall change everything. We are just here, so we are still studying. This is not the final word. So we came to design. We can change to any design. To any what? Any design. So, we can change to any design. Any design. We can change to any word. Any design. Okay, now guys, after writing, what do we need? What are we going to do? We are going to look at different things, okay? I want you to pay attention because I will not be repeating these things. So from here, we are going to go to designs. We go to designs. What is the use of designs? The use of design is to change the looking of the slides. So when we put like this is the already design that is inserted. When you do like this, I think you can see the design has changed. When we put like this, I think you can see the design is changing. The design is changing. The design is are changing. There are very many designs. So guys, I'm going to, so now you see the design I'm putting is affecting the whole document, the whole slides. But I want only different slides to have different what? To each design, each slide to have its own,
Color.
What I do, I click on that. For example, if I want this one to be like this, I right click, then I say apply to the selected slide only. So this one will have this. I go to the second one. Maybe I want it to look like this. So what will I say? I say right click, I say apply to the selected slide. Now I go to this one. I look for a slide. Maybe I look for another one. If this one is not okay. This is it. I look for maybe this one. I right click, I say apply to the selected slide. So I go to the last one, the same thing is what we're gonna do here. I see if this one is okay, then I say apply to the selected slide. Hope you're seeing something, okay? Changing. So this one has this one has this one has this one has this. So these things can also change. For example, these words, we can also select these words. Now this is Microsoft Word. We go to home. The other things remain the same. This one Algerian, this Arial black, what? These ones remain the same, font color, font size. This is Microsoft Office Word. These ones do not change, okay? That's why last time I told you, you must first of all capture. Capture Microsoft, but I think this font was okay. So we can go to this and try to select this one. This is Microsoft Word, like I told you, doesn't change. We can put here Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Then we can put this one, bulletin, all those ones, Microsoft Word. We can put text, we can change the color. All this one is Microsoft Word. So we can change this and say maybe we can put to impact. This word digitalize, you can right click and put the right word. We can go to this one. This one is okay. This one is okay. This one you can increase the words if they are not singable very well. Is the word singable, right? You can put to 10. If the word is not singable, very well, you can either increase, the slides like this. You see, they increase and decrease. No worries, okay? You can increase and decrease. So that's it. The same applies to this. So after finishing the design, where shall we go? We go to transitions. Transitions. What is the use of transitions? We are going to see. So there is none. So when I put like this, so this is transitions. You see, these are transitions. You see, transitions. For example, someone is displaying words do not just do like this. They must have a transition. See, they must have a transition. They must come in an orderly manner. Not just kwe kubao, okay? There are very many. There are very many ways of making this thing appear on our screen. You go to another one, you can put random bars. You can put this one to speed, to repo. You see, You can put the last one to what? Maybe shred, maybe dissolve. Yes, let's put dissolve. Okay, these are transitions. We have looked at designs, transitions. Let's go to animations. Animations. Let's go to animations. Animations, and we see what is the use of animations. What is the use of animations? So, animations. So when I click like this, animations, they are not active. Why? Animations act on individual words. For example, this one. So I will come and put, for example, this animations. This is how words rotate into the after the slide comes in with its dissolving and what, so the animation comes in. The animation comes in. You see? So guys, let's first play this so that we see how this one will look like. So you press F5 from your keyboard, F5, you play the slides, you see how they look like. So I'm clicking on the mouse, you see, then you see this one coming, I click, you see, I click, then I press escape, we go back. Lois, you are talking. So guys, so what is the use of these animations? The use of animations, as I told you, they are used in making individual movements of the what? Of these letters, only these ones. Then the design is for designing the pages. The transitions is for these ones, like for the page, how the page dissolves when you open it. Then animations is for the individual, a word per word. Like I said, do like this, you wheel, you see, it wheels like this. So when I press F5, and I click, you see, the other word has not come. Why? Because it must come in a style. See, then you click, another one comes in. But there is a way of setting everything so that whenever I am presenting, I should not only be, after the class, please teacher, share the video, I am up and down. Okay. There is a way that we set them so that they come automatically. You see, at the extreme end, there is on the mouse click. For example, when I click here and select these ones, and I put, there is on the mouse click, then the duration and everything. So we shall have to do what? We shall have to look at them when we go to custom animation and everything. Custom, you see, more animations and paths, more entrance. We shall all look at them. But Sagara to Dukenyo, you see, this is where we set the duration, everything. Then on the slideshow, you can say automatic, monitor, automatic, over primary monitor. There is a primary monitor. Primary monitor, you go then there is another when you are connected to the projector and everything. There is custom slideshow, presenter online, from current slide, then the beginning. We shall look at everything. But today, I want us to look at how to begin a new slide, different kinds of slides, as you have seen. Then the designs, transitions, plus the simple animations. If you want to test what you did, just press F5 on your screen, like this. Then if you did some animations, click, you click, you see, click. So this is how, I think you have, guys, you have ever been in a meeting and you have been, after when the last slide comes, you click escape. So as we go further, we shall look at action buttons. Let me show you them. These shapes. Then we have action buttons. We shall see how these action buttons work on our slides. When you hover, for example, I can bring this action button and draw it here. Action button and draw it here. So I say hyperlink to hyperlink to what? First slide, end of the show. Can hyperlink to end of the show? Or I can hyperlink to the first slide. First slide. This is the last slide. I hyperlink it to the first slide. Then I say, okay. There is something I've not done. Okay. So when I save, when I press F5, I click, and we go to the last slide. This is the second slide. This is the third one. So you see, this is our what? Our action button. When I click, it takes me back to the first slide. Okay.